In this video, we will introduce the Elder 4K PTZ Wi-Fi security camera. We will review what is included in the box, installation options, and how to complete the initial setup and basic configuration. Inside the box, you will find the PTZ Wi-Fi security camera, a power adapter, mounting hardware, and a quick start guide. The camera features motorized pan and tilt control, a built-in spotlight, two-way audio, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All functions are controlled using the Smart Life mobile application. The camera can be placed on a flat surface, mounted on a wall. The camera requires continuous power and a stable 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Connect the power adapter to the camera. Once powered on, the camera will automatically start and enter pairing mode. Download the Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. Please ensure to allow network, Bluetooth, and location access for the Smart Life app. To add the camera, tap the plus icon in the app. Select Add Device. If you allowed the Smart Life to access Bluetooth and location, the camera will be found automatically, and you may follow the steps. Select your 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Wait for the camera to complete the connection process. Once connected, you can view live video, control pan and tilt movement. You have Quick Feature tab at the bottom and Advanced Settings at the right corner. Recorded events can be viewed from the playback section of the app. This completes the basic introduction, installation, and setup process. For advanced settings or troubleshooting, please refer to the full user manual or contact SecoMart support.